Hi everyone. So we are closing really to the INI-CET exam, and I'm pretty sure that you must be stressed, anxious. So we are going to discuss some last minute tips every day till the exam date. And the basic thing which, after talking to so many faculty, so many students, so many rankers, so these are some pointers that you must go ahead and do it. The first point is you have to be mentally strong. I know it sounds silly कि क्या बकवास है यार, ये तो सबको पता है. But this is one thing which is going to make you stand apart from everyone else. You already know everything. This is the last minute. Alright, you already know everything. You have to tell your brain, yes, brain, I am going to rock this examination, and you are going to go ahead and strike a century there. Make sure that you do 50 to 60 MCQs every day from QBank. This will actually keep you in habit of solving the MCQs, and you will try to understand as much as possible the examiner's mindset कि question ये frame कैसा हो रहा है. And of course, the exam practice is always there. We had the INI-CET mock a couple of days back. Tomorrow we are going to have the result. I'm sure you must have given the examination. So go ahead, if you have not given the examination, go ahead, open the eGurukul app and give the exam as a practice exam. And if you have given the exam, post the result. Please mark out the questions which you have marked wrong, figure out which topic they are from, and then read the same topics from your notes. So basically, you have figured out these are my weak topics and now you are strengthening them. That's the point of a mock test. And the last, your notes are your Bible right now. Please do not change any source. Please do not go and listen to different strategies at this particular point of time. You are doing wonderful. You have to be confident and दिल पे हाथ रखने का और सिर्फ ये कहने का कि rank 1 मेरी आएगी. So that's me, Nachiket Bhatia, and I'll be seeing you daily till the 7th of May. Thank you and best of luck.